Are you videoing us? See you later. She's a little fat thing.
Vito's wait. Hold her up so you can, so she's not upside down, sweetie.
Huh?
She's reaching for it.
She's going.
You got her upside down. Hold her right. Okay. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
Happy. Leave her alone. I know how to feed my little child.
Come out here in the light. Look at that milky face. She looks like a little raccoon. What's her name?
Prissy. She just go. Oh, fine. Yeah, like that.
Now she just needs some loving.
You want more? Come on, you want some milk?
She doesn't want any more. Hi, baby. Prissy.
The big tummy. Look at that big tummy.
Prissy. Now
trying
you
to
need to
like-
burp her.
How do you do that?
Wipe her booty. So she'll... No, don't hit her. Wipe her booty with a towel so she'll pee-pee.
You're doing that.
No.
The bottle.
See, she starts purring when you do that. Is she purring?
Yes.
See? She's like, ooh, good.
Good.
Ooh.
Yeah, he peed.
All right. Make sure you wash your hands good.
Yeah, he peed on my head when I was wiping her butt.